Let's go. So what the heck? This early. Anyways. Good morning. We leave the house. Let's go to Zambales.
Ay, saan ba yun eh?
Ano?
Let us pray first. Nasa yun na yung purple pamahid.
Let's go. The Uno. Still, even in the car. Bit pa din ang Uno.
Later.
Oh my God. Ah! Ah! Stretching. We're at the first stopover of the trip.
Go greet Papa. Over there. Knockout silang tatlo. Ako lang yung gising kasi ako yung messenger.
Let's go.
CR tayo.
Find a bathroom. Hi, Mommy.
Thank you. Nakagano pa naman ako.
Vanilla sweet cream cold brew. Where's the boy? The boy is over here. So hungry. I think 2 times na ako nalipasan ng gutom.
Nagawa niyo akong tagahawa kanina si ate.
Thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
Messenger.
Alam mo na ako naman messenger mo.
Let's go.
Next, you will be the one.
Kape.
Tinay?
Siyempre, naiipit din ako. They're all asleep. I'm the only one awake. There's dad, there's mommy. Yeah. Sana sleep well.
Many minutes later.
Annie, good morning, baby. You're in a different place na here in the Philippines. Do you know where you are? You're so confused. Huh?
Mula ano sa pagkain.
Kelly.
Oo, yung pagkain.
Mwah. This is a camera. Kelly. Hi. We stopped by here in Pampanga first. Kasi may kakilala si na tita. And they're playing basketball. So this is how they make guitars. This is where they make the guitars. Interesting. And ukuleles too. Wow.
Anong tatako yung pangalan ko? Reynold.
Wow. I look like a dancer. It's so hot. They're playing right now. Ang expert naman neto.
Meron akong kilalang hustler dito, nakapulang sando. May hustler.
Nakapalang sa rin?
Wow.
Wow!
Very mainit. No? We're still in Pampanga right now. Check-in is not until 3 anyway, so we're just gonna chill here in Pampanga.
ito ang kailangan ko at hindi ang I love you mo. Kung ako ang the one na matagal nang hanap mo.
That's the inflatable island right there. We're at a random gas station in front of the inflatable island. Right over there. Yeah, that's the inflatable island. Pero we're not gonna go there yet. Inflatable island is for tomorrow. So we just need to look for the Airbnb. But yeah, we're stretching right now because too many hours in the car. La Familia is lost. Capital L-O-S-T. Lost.
ng kanyang ukulele.
We don't know where to go. No? What happened to your hair?
I don't know.
Look at that hair. My goodness.
Bakit naghiwalay na ang tit nito si Bang?
We don't know. We're supposed to go to a Mylin's cafe. Mylin?
Yeah.
Somewhere. Yeah, a cafe to eat. Where is it? I don't know. We are lost. They asked for direction sa isang local tourist things. Hindi alam saan pupunta. I don't know, ba't pa tayo nakinig kay Google Maps? Ano ba sabi ni Google Maps?
On the left.
On the left.
Destination is on the left.
It was a residence, not a cafe. Google Maps, ano na? But yeah, nasa looban kami right now. Dapat nasa highway kami. But this is a looban. Yeah, we got lost. What can you say?
Siya na naman sumunod.
We got lost.
Yeah, we got lost. I will see you guys when we find the place that we're gonna eat at. Yay! So, we're finally inside the cafe. We were able to find it. Finally. And now we're gonna look through all the food in the menu and then eat. I'm so hungry. Ilang beses na ako nalipasan ng gutom, guys. Let's choose what to eat and then we'll see. We're gonna find the Airbnb. I'm gonna see you guys when we're at the Airbnb na. May kasamang baby yung Airbnb?
Oh my gosh!
There's a baby for the Airbnb?
We
Oh my gosh! A baby in the Airbnb!
bed.
A free baby!
Hi, Bebe.
Yeah?
He's holding my finger.
Yeah! He likes to hold people's hands. Hi! Mama. Hi, Bebe. This is Kuya Bahet, or you can call him Ato Bahet.
Later that night.
We're now headed to dinner. Also, we went to the beach before this, so I'm just gonna insert like picture of it. Dito. Yeah, we're getting dinner now. Hi, Kenly. Say hi to the vlog, Kenly. Where are you going, Kenly? Hindi ka nakita, Kenly. Hi, Kenly. Kuku. Hi, Kenly.
Mulaga si Ama.
Ba't nakakunot ulo mo? Huy. 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 Huy.
Daddy,
Sakya.
patay ka, di ba yan James? Parang doon.
Kenly. Where are you going, Kenly? Ito sinusundan ng ilaw. Ano ka ba po usapan? Sinusundan ng laser.
A few moments later.
Soy doon ka sa likod. Offer a prayer and sing blessings for Bianca. Program kay Hey, Debutan! Okay, to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! One more time! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Make a wish and blow. Hindi kompleto ang debutan kung wala 18 roses! Youngest member of the family, Baby Pag ikaw naglungad sa akin. Iharap mo, dali. Yan. Happy birthday, ate! Si Baher, asan si Baher? Dito nakakita. Yo, Ate Chi. Okay.
Harap dito, harap dito.
Ikot, para makita dito.
The escort of the debutant. Na laging magkaaway nung bata pa.
Ikot, para makita dito. Dito mo, Happy Children. Ayan, nakabidyo na sila. Happy birthday, Tinig. 1, 2, 3.
Smile!
Happy birthday.
Ang mata mo ka! Iiyak na yan!
Mga 15 minutes yan, ha?
Tagal naman.
Harap dito.
The twins, Melvin Sr. and Melvin Jr.
Favorite daughter.
Iba po si Sis Daddy! Okay, all
Louder, please.
I hope that you stay like that. Maganda, tapos vivo, tapos nice to me. I love you. Most beautiful sister of the debutant. Happy 80th birthday, sis. Don't be immature. You're all. And always here to support you. I love you.
Iiyak na din yan.
Saan mo sila daddy? Makabait si Bahay.
Inay, huwag ka umiyak, Inay!
Hindi ka naman umuwi.
You are loved. We love you so much, anak. Alam mo yan. Happy birthday. God bless you. Okay.
Tito Wasim, don't cry! Don't cry, Tito Wasim!
Ano pa? Ay?
Yung!
Ano pa? Okay, picture.
Kiss.
Hey, this was a sissy night.
Naiyakan ulit.
Hi, baby.
Baby, no more. Sana no more.
Okay, so I should make all your birthday wishes. I wish them all the happy birthday.
There, holding. Holding ba?
Sabi sa'yo ako nanay niyan eh. Happy birthday! Okay, drink. What's this? Buti nga lang kumain.
Happy birthday!
Adulting na, ah.
Sarap niya na yellow baby.
Yes po.
The next morning.
Warning card po. After that, you need to sign a waiver individual for 18 years old up.
Let's go to the place that we've been before. We're here.
Ayan, kay kuya.
Let's go, Bahar. It's a dead fish. It's a dead fish. I can float. Let's go. I'm risking my life over here. I forgot to bring the waterproof case for this GoPro. If I break it, if you don't see this video, that's the end of me. I have to hold.
Basta mahulog lang, hindi natin makukuha yan.
Talaga diretso sa mata ko yung splash mo, ha? Go, guys! Please don't break on me.
It's so slippery!
Run, Bahar!
Oh!
Come! Crawl! Slide! Go! Come! Baby, come! Go! Go! Stand! Run! Go! Lakad daw sa side pag di kaya!
I can't do that. I'll go the other side.
What side? Okay, I'll go with you.
Okay.
Samahan ko siya. Ayaw niya dyan muna. Hindi pa siya ready. Hindi pa siya ready daw. Dito muna. Walk slowly. My goodness, like a dog. Let to stand, bebe. Ayaw niya tumayo. You got to stand. Sensya na po. Ayaw niya tumayo. Come. Hala! Wait. Oh my God. Wait lang!
Daddy! Hindi ako makapala.
This is so scary. I'm actually gonna crawl. I'm stuck! My God. You know what? Kakabahan ako! Daddy, I need you to hold this.
Baka malaglag ko yan.
Okay. Guys, eto na yung view ko dito. Kasi di ko kaya dalhin kayo. Ibabalik ko muna sa lagayan. Peace out! Go back.
Go back.
After that experience, na-accidentally ko kayo nalubog. It's still working. I hope. But I can't do the obstacles properly while holding you. So I'm gonna enjoy my time. And I'll see you guys after. Hi, Frog. Bebe, come with me.
Yan, hindi siya takot. Dahan-dahan lang.
Come with me.
Patingin ng ano ng
Dahan-dahan lang, may love.
Kay Ate Ching, wag sa iyo kasi
Meron mozzarella. Dalawang ito
kasi dangerous pag bata.
na 5 pera.
Napayag na siya ngayon ang pao.
Nasasanay ka na, Kenley.
Pero, ay hindi.
Hi, vlog. I'm gonna try to get here. I don't know. Hi. I'm just chilling here, you know. I'm having so much fun, but I also need to just like lie here. So I'm lying here because I want to.
Later.
It's been a minute since you guys last saw us. It's now 3:21 p.m. and we just left the inflatable island. This small boy just woke up from his nap in the car and we're in the mall right now kasi we need to get food for later. It's so hot here and this is the view from the parking. Yeah. I got roped into being guardians of my two cousins. These two.
Mabagal ka, Papa! Bilas! Si Lola! Si Arnel! What's going on?
3, 2, 1, go! Focus.
Ay, Ate Ching to. Sa Tiana, nahabol. Habol sa Tiana.
Ay, si talaga. Dito yung...
Ate Ana! Tiana.
Let's go!
One!
Five! Six! Ano, Dubai family
Ready!
Ano kayo?
Sino? Hindi niya kilala.
It's a toothbrush.
Again, open!
Open again.
Sorry.
There's a lot of plastic. There's a message.
What's that?
Si Deda.
Wow! Best friend!
Open.
Open! Oh! Look at the back! Look at the back!
Sakto ba? Wow, it's makeup.
Oh, it's
Team E.
Emote. Team Emote.
Team Arte, Team Babay, ano?
Ang nabunot ko
Clue.
tao.
Tao. Ano ba?
Ang nabunot ko ay si debutante at
Ako nagbayad! Ano ba yan? Siya nagbayad, di mo na alam!
Hawakan mo to.
Di ba?
Open!
Candy!
Sabi ko ba, ikikendy ko na lang to para
Oh, siya
mabilis.
nagbalot yan eh. Pero binalot ko noon ng papel na yun.
This.
Dapat meron tayong ano.
Wow!
Tingnan mo.
Parang hindi ka masaya. Ikaw.
Open.
Hoy, nabuhay! And then... Ayan, wait eh. Wow!
Ina! Ay, naghahanap siya ng blouse. Ayan!
I see Kenzo.
Wow! Basketball!
Ay, thank you, team. Kay galing sa team.
Double P.
Double B. Ano yun?
Leia Bianca.
Unod ko ay Team Pinas at Team Panot.
Salamat.
Ang dami yan. Ang
Walang
dami.
hihingi.
Team.
Team Dubai. Bro.
Bro!
Kita ka sila na
Wow!
Wow!
Dubai? Si Sis Ana. Kasi niya. Ay, ang dami.
Wow, that's it!
Kasama ng kapasko.
Okay, picture!
Thank you.
Welcome.
Yung ikinukuha ng
Pugad na.
pugad ng laylaya.
Mami!
Ate Bea.
Wait. Wow! Goyor! Thank you! Kasing lakas ng boses ko! Bibida! Open!
Favorite ng pantulog. Pantulog! Inay, diyan ka lang ha. Another pantulog! Last but not the least, ang pinakamamahal kong ate. Ako din nakasama pong retinol.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. We're about to leave the Airbnb in a few minutes. The baby is sleeping and I'm wearing all white. Nag-aisang na kami ng car and then I'll see you guys kapag summer na kami. Merry Christmas, by the way! Merry Christmas!
Tulog ka din, Jing?
Let's see. Would I be able to speak if I was sleeping?
Tutulog ka din.
I don't know. We'll see. How far?
50 minutes.
50?
Like 60 kilometers.
Okay.
Hot air.
Right now,
Tapos na.
good morning, guys. Just woke up. Napit na daw kami. Sakit ng katawan ko. Sakit ng pit ko. Sakit ng pit niya. Yeah, me too. You too? You're almost there. My whole body hurts. Sore body. I need to get a massage. We're here na daw. Well, it's over there. We're We're just in the parking. My whole body. You can't feel yourself anymore? Her outfit. Look, it's very Philippines today. Philippines hat, Cebu shirt. Yeah, we're gonna eat there. Rooftop shop. Rooftop? Yeah, rooftop. Really at the top, you know. It's not helping with my sore body.
Me too.
Fish cake. Fish cake. Sarap.
Sarap? Ah, very good. Worth the wait?
Rice cake.
Ito pa, oh.
Worth the wait daw. Okay. Sarap daw.
We just finished eating. I'm so busog. The seafood tteokbokki is so good, but so big on portions. I couldn't even finish it all. So, yeah. We're gonna go home now. And I'm probably gonna be ending the vlog here kasi gabi pa kami makakarating sa house. Yung binili ko sa H&M. Yes.
Hindi ba ito papatak? I don't know. It wasn't me.
Okay.
Yes, it was 100%. Hi, guys. Sana all. This kid is crazy.
I don't know where he learned that from. Certainly not from me. Where did you learn that from?
From her. No, I was her. Or from him.
Oh, sorry, kuya. Good night, kuya.
I'm teaching him French, not Tagalog. It's 6:38 p.m. All I know is that you teach me sana. Oh, no.
I don't know what I will get home. Yeah.
Okay, so sana all.
Okay. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say paalam. Paalam. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Salamat po.